This week I am driving the pretty special fully electric Porsche Taycan. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to subscribe and like and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this video is brought to you by Infosecure. In the back of the Porsche Taycan there are Isofix in the two outer second row seats. They are within plastic guides and nice and easy to connect to. On the back of the rear seats there are top tether anchorages. Now the two outer seats are really bucket shaped, so I found that only two child seats would fit back here. I have the Accomplish and the Achieve more child seats. Now we found legroom to be really good in here. With a rear facing child seat on the passenger side, we could fit a 184 centimetre passenger in front, and a 184 centimetre driver would fit in front of a forward facing child seat. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. The climate is fantastic in this car. There are aircon vents in the back of the central console box for the rear passengers, and you can control them through the central console media screen. Now you can also individually adjust the temperature and fan speed for the front aircon as well as the rear, and you can drag and drop to where you want the air direction to go. In the back of the Porsche Taycan, storage is really minimal. There's a fold down in the central seat back with two cup holders. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup, and a large refillable water bottle fits in them too. There are no mat pockets on the back of the front seat, and the door bins in the back here are small. They'll just hold a 600ml water bottle. Storage in the front of the Taycan is minimal too. There are two cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable and disposable coffee cup. Behind them, the central console box is quite small, but you've got USB ports in there. Underneath the central media screen, there's a little tray I found good for putting my phone. The glove box is small in here. I could just get my wallet in there. And the door bins will hold a large refillable water bottle, and your phone or wallet will pop in there too. The boot of the Porsche Taycan opens really nice and elegantly and quietly. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. And don't forget, there's the frunk too. Empty, it will hold 13 shopping bags, or a twin pram and 3 shopping bags, a double pram and 5 shopping bags, a single pram and 5 shopping bags, a compact stroller and 8 shopping bags, and no dog. Now the Porsche Taycan is a fantastic car to drive, as you would obviously think so, and out on the open roads it is a lot of fun. But this car is enormous. It's actually almost the same size as the new Kia Carnival. It's 5 metres long and 2 metres wide, which makes it pretty challenging in school and supermarket car parks, let me tell you. Now, being fully electric, it is lovely and quiet to start, and it's a lovely smooth drive as well. And when you put your foot down, it's got a lot of power. Now, it does about 400 kilometres to 1 battery charge, and it's the fastest car to charge I have ever had to drive. Now, from almost empty, the battery charged to 80% in about 20 minutes in a fast charger, which is a game changer for anyone, especially families, because that's a real measurable amount of time, a realistic amount of time to stop at services for toilet break and snacks, and then back in the car for the next part of the road trip. The media system in the Porsche Taycan is very in-depth. You've got 3 screens in this model, and there was actually 4 in the other model that we tested. Now, there are lots of options in there. You've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well, which is fantastic. And up on the driver's display screen, you can also change and customize this display really, really nicely. It's fantastic. Down in this central console display, you can control all of the options of the media system, as well as being able to control that climate really nicely, including the rear. And you can drag and drop and change how you would like your aircon. When I put it into reverse, that camera image, it does fill this whole screen. However, it's not very good quality and it's really tunnel visioned. And I do find with a car of this size and width and length, you really do need a better quality image than that. I do have to rely on the side mirrors a lot more than the cameras. You can turn the parking sensors off really nicely though, using this button on the side. So to sum up with the Porsche Taycan, it is absolutely beautiful car, and that fast charging makes it really practical for families. You can fit those 2 child seats really nicely in the back. Legroom is good, boot space is pretty good, although for a car of this size I would expect it to be bigger. It's a really nice car, and if you do want a luxury 5-seater like this, it's really practical actually for families.